Hey guys, it's me David Farron from Racelet Gamer. So, how are you guys? I hope you're doing well. And COVID-19 is pandemic is still going on here, and I hope that someday the day will come that we will get relief from this pandemic in this virus. So let's get to the point and means the videos. So today I bring up topic discussion about how you download free movie and free TV series totally free of cost. Means right now still the lockdown is going and sometimes you get bored by watching. Means you have to pay all every time Netflix or watching movies, so you don't worry about it. It's totally free of cost right now. Means I am actually sharing an application. It's totally free. So stick with me and stay with me to enjoy the videos and to know a great knowledge about a new application that gonna blow your mind. So let's get started.
Until the dawn breaks, no, till it's all said and done, you won't know.
So beginning of this video I am telling you that in case of using this kind of trick you have needed two application. One is a main application that actually you have to download a source, and another one is you have to download by this application. It's actually help download it, and it also give you a more speed download. So it's simple. One application you can find on Play Store and another one is the main application. It's not available on Play Store and neither in Google Chrome also. You have to download from the link given on description below. It's actually application, it's a secret application, or you can say a top secret that is not available on any website. Means I didn't know, I still didn't find it, so that's why I'm telling in my experience. This application came through by sharing people's. Means one friend actually given to me, and now I am giving to you. Me sharing my Google Drive links to you, and from that Google Drive link you have to download it. So let's do this. So guys, the trick is simple. You have to download this application from Play Store. So head to the Play Store. I'm going to the Play Store. So on search bar, search for ADM. It stands for Android Download Managers. Yeah, I know that lots of people know about this application. So what is this actually? It's a application for downloading any kind of stuff, whether it's application, video, image, blah blah blah, and even music also. It's actually amplify your speed of your network. Means it gives more speed than probably give any other Android browser. Just like even browsers download manager also, just like Chrome, Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, and even the banded application UC browser. It gets the best speed in my experience. So just download it. I'm downloading it. I'm showing you how you have to use and how you have to download it. My download is done and I am opening. See, I am opening, and here the normal application came with interface with the normal color green and white, but you can also change the color just like a dark mode. Means today's maximum Android phone came with a dark mode, so this application also have an interface with a dark mode, black in color. So I'm changing it now. You can see the browser option from on these applications, and the search bar, search engine, paste it. Here you can see I'm pasting it, and I'm done and I'm searching it, and it take only a second, and here you can see it's opened, and here just download, click on the download button. I'm downloading it and wait until it show the size of the application, and you can see the application size has been shown and name also, and click to download it, and it's done. After downloading this application, and here's the first part is done. Then go to the application that actually installed is the Cinema HD V2. Open it. I'm opening it. and it's showing that new update is came here. And one more thing of this means every applications update where actually came, whether it's come to a Play Store or any other store, just like APK Pure Store. But in case of this application, every single update came through to this server. They have own server, own client, so don't need to worry. Just open it and I'm downloading update, and it's take time to download it, and it's done. So simple, quite simple. Just install like a normal application install it and open it. And here's the magic. It's damn have lots of movie you can't imagine. It's almost have means every single movie that you can't find on Google Chrome, like a normal browser, just totally free of cost. So click any movie. I'm downloading this movie. I think it's actually recently uploaded or released by a Netflix I think. So I'm going through it, and here I am. You can see that the stream or streamer is showing the numbers, and it's all actually a movies file. That this movie, how many actually have file. It's all different file from different client. It's all different client, and even coming from the different website through. It's collected and merged together on one application, and it's have almost all variant kind of screen resolution size, starting from 360p to almost Blu-ray. The size is around 300 MB to almost 2 GB. So you have many options to choose what kind of quality you actually want. So just click anyone. I'm choosing this one, the low quality, for showing you example, and clicking on it. And here's the thing, it's with open with. After clicking on select ADM, so tap on it, tapping, and wait until just like old thing, that name clearly and size clearly. Yes, it's shown. Just click, tap on it, okay, and you can see it's downloading. And if you ask me about speed, it is totally and fully depending on your network speed, means cellular device, not just like here actually I have peers or something blah 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 like torrent. Is totally depending on your device and on the SIM or network actually you're using. If you're using a Wi-Fi, then it download too fast. Even sometimes you can get also a 5 megabyte speed also per second. So just chill. And here it is, my video is done. And tell me on comment box below that how every single movie actually you downloading, how the quality is, and is it working for you or not. And if any kind of link problem to say, then I will upload a new link for you also in the comment box, and tell me how the video quality. Okay, for now I'm saying goodbyes, and stay safe, wear your masks and use your hand sanitizer to save from this pandemic attack, COVID-19. For now, goodbye.